Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am ready to explain you adverbs. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो spelling ADVERBS. It means verbs is hidden in this word. यानी कि adverb में ही verbs की information है. अब आप सोचोगे adverbs हैं क्या? तो बच्चों adverb की definition देखते हैं. Adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, and tells us how a thing is done, where it is done, when it is done, how many times it is done. यानी कि कोई भी एक्शन जो कहीं पर हुआ, कब हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कितनी बार हुआ और क्यों हुआ, ये सारे रीज़न हमें क्लियर करता है. तो एडवर्ब सिर्फ एक वर्ड ना हो करके ये अपने आप में कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो किसी एडवर्ब, एडजेक्टिव या वर्ब को डिफाइन करता है. एग्जाम्पल: ही विल कम नाउ. मोहन स्लेप्ट हियर. शी रीड्स क्लियरली. यू वर्कड हार्ड. बच्चों आप इसमें देख सकते हो नाउ, हेयर, क्लियरली, हार्ड. ये सारे वर्ड्स अंडरलाइंड हैं. जितने ये वर्ड्स अंडरलाइंड हैं ये सारे एडवर्ब्स हैं. बिकॉज ही विल कम नाउ, टाइम इज गिवन. नाउ मीन्स अबाउट टू रीच. मोहन स्लेप्ट हियर. वेयर डिड ही स्लीप? हियर. शी रीड्स क्लियरली. हाउ डज शी रीड? क्लियरली. यू वर्कड हार्ड. हाउ डिड यू वर्क? You worked hard. So ये सारे words जो हैं adverbs हैं. Now we'll see kinds of adverbs. Children, there are 7 kinds of adverbs. Let us see. The first kind is adverb of manner. Second kind is adverb of place. Third kind is adverb of time. Fourth is adverb of frequency. Fifth is adverb of degree. Sixth is adverb of affirmation or negation. Seventh is interrogative adverbs. Now we'll see them one by one. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how something happens. It is usually placed after the main verb or after the object. She danced gracefully. How did she dance? Gracefully. Means the manner of dancing. Second is the child spoke politely. How did the child speak? बच्चा कैसे बोला? Politely. The soldiers fought bravely. How did the soldiers fight? कैसे लड़े soldiers? Bravely. He swims well. How does he swim? Well. The police dealt with the incident efficiently. How did the police deal with the incident? Efficiently. यानी बहुत अच्छे से. Children, some more examples of adverb of manner are, which you should know, like clearly, frantically, generously, gently, happily, hastily, honestly, hungrily, inadequately, joyously, kindly, justly, lazily, loosely, loudly, nervously, noisily, punctually, quickly, quietly, rapidly, sadly, safely, stupidly, tenderly, violently, weakly, warily, wildly, wisely, etc. बच्चों मैंने आपको मैक्सिमम एडवर्ब्स बताए हैं. I hope you will all remember these and get helped. Second kind of adverbs are adverb of place. Children, adverb of place can indicate an object's position in relation to another object. Many adverb of place indicate movement in a particular direction. For example, about, anywhere, low, backwards, etc. See the examples. John looked around, but he couldn't see her. John looked where? Around. So this is adverb of place. I searched everywhere I could think of. Where did I search? Everywhere. All the places. Third is They built a house nearby. Where did they build a house? Nearby, in close distance. Next is she took the baby outside. So where did she take the baby? Outside. Next is I am going back to school. Where am I going? Back to school. Some more examples of adverb of place are children: on, over, towards, underground, downstairs, upstairs, indoor, near, in, anywhere, along, overseas, inside, there, before, below, above, back, next door, off, right, etc. So children, I hope these will be helping you. Third kind of adverbs are adverb of time. Adverbs of time tell us when an action was done, how long और how often it was done. यानी कि कोई एक्शन कब, कितनी देर तक और कितनी बार होता है. Example first, I am going to tidy my room tomorrow. When I am going to tidy my room? Tomorrow. We saw our teacher today. कब देखा हमने टीचर को? Today. So today is adverb. The newspaper arrives daily. कितनी बार आता है? रोज, daily. We go out for Japanese food weekly. How often we go for Japanese food? Weekly, यानी once in a week. Fifth is she finished her tea first. What did she finish in the beginning? First she finished her tea. So all the words underlined here are tomorrow, today, daily, weekly, first. They are all adverbs of time. Some more examples of adverbs of time are always, already, early, annually, before, constantly, frequently, finally, formerly, generally, hourly, immediately, just, last, late, later, lately, monthly, not until, now, normally, never, next, rarely, regularly, recently, seldom, sometimes, since, soon, still, then, tonight, usually, etc. Children, fourth kind of adverbs are adverbs of frequency. Means adverb of frequency tell us how often the action repeats. They are used for repeated actions. यानी कि कोई एक्शन बार बार जिस तरह से होता है उसे हम adverb of frequency कहते हैं. Example first, I always walk to work. Always means most of the time. Second is they usually arrive late. It means whenever they come late. Usually all the time. Third is my father often forgets his birthday. My father when forgets his birthday? Almost every year. Often. We are never unhappy. Means we are always happy. Fifth is I rarely drink tea in the evening. Rarely means hardly. Some more examples of adverbs of frequency are occasionally, sometimes, once a week, twice a month, utterly, seldom, hardly ever, often, constantly, periodically, quarterly, soon, nightly, hourly, never, always, etc. Fifth kind of adverbs are children adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective or another adverb. These adverbs answer the question how much or to what extent. यानी कि adverbs of degree हमें ये बताते हैं कि कुछ जो एक्शन हुआ वो कितना हुआ. इसे एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. First example is the view from the top is very beautiful. Now children, beautiful view cannot be measured how much beautiful. So very word tells the degree of the person who speaks. उसको कितना सुंदर लगा. Second is I totally enjoyed the ride. But how much I enjoyed, it cannot be measured by any means. So totally tells that I completely enjoyed the ride. Third is we just finished our homework. Fourth is the story is extremely funny. How much funny? Extremely. बहुत ज़्यादा. Hina is an extremely good science student. कितनी good science student है? Extremely. Some more examples are, children, that you should know: a little, partly, enough, hardly, fully, entirely, too, fairly, barely, deeply, terribly, virtually, nearly, most, much, less, least, somewhat, completely, etc. And children, you see the diagram below these words I have made, where I have written quite. Quite is used for when it is sufficiently good. If it is little less, then we'll be using slightly. And if it is lesser than slightly, then we'll be writing very slightly. And if it is more than quite, यानी कि sufficient से ज़्यादा है तो very, and if it is more than very, then we'll call it extremely. I hope you can understand the degree of intensity from this flowchart. Children, sixth kind of adverbs are adverbs of affirmation और negation. तो बच्चों आप सोच रहे होंगे affirmation और negation क्या है? Affirmation means saying yes and negation means saying no. So the definition goes by the words which declare that something is true or a negative statement. They are called adverbs of affirmation and negation. See the examples. The words are underlined. She is certainly going through a hard time. Certainly means making affirmation. Yes. There was no visibility from the top floor. It is adverb of negation because it is saying that visibility was poor. Third is surely he can pass the exam. Somebody is making affirmation. Yes, I know about it. Making affirmation. Fifth is the teacher should never agree to the illogical demands of the students. So children, never also makes a negation. Some words such as surely, yes, definitely, really, exactly, probably, doubtlessly, truly, obviously, of course, certainly are adverbs of affirmation. But words such as no longer, not very, invalidly, scarcely, rarely, never, these are adverbs of negation. Children, seventh kind of adverbs are interrogative adverbs. Like you have read about interrogative pronouns, interrogative adjectives, in the same way there are interrogative adverbs also. Now definition goes by adverbs that are used to ask question about time, place, number, manner, quantity, and reason are called interrogative adverbs. See the examples. First example is how was the movie? कोई पूछ रहा है मूवी कैसी थी. Second is when does the play begin? Now in this sentence what is being asked? About the time. Third is why don't you like her? Somebody is asking the reason of dislike. Fourth is where is the new mall being built? So place is asked. Place of mall. Fifth is how much do I need to pay? I am asking about the amount to be paid. Some more examples of interrogative adverbs are which, whose, how many, how wide, how high, how tall, how deep, how fast, etc. Children, I hope I have explained all the adverbs in detail and you will be benefited by watching this. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.